Welcome back to our channel, where we provide helpful tips and tricks for Windows 10 users. In today's video, we'll show you how to customize the Start menu on your Windows 10 PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu. Step 2. Next, go to Settings. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon in the Start menu, or by searching for Settings in the search bar. Step 3. Within the Settings menu, select Personalization, and then choose Start from the left-hand side menu. Step 4. Now look for the option that says Choose which folders appear on Start and click on it. Step 5. A new window will open, displaying a list of folders. To show a folder in the Start menu, simply toggle the switch next to it to the On position. If you don't want to show a folder, toggle the switch to the Off position. And there you have it. You've successfully managed the folders that appear on your Windows 10 Start menu. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.